Good morning, boys and girls. You know, we've been talking about shapes, but we're also reviewing today. In your packet, you have pages of teen numbers like this, and you have pages with little fish and number or in 10 frames like this. You're going to cut these out, and when you do, you're going to match them. You might even put them in order, 11, 12, 13. So what you want to do is you want to match the number to the 10 frame that shows that number. So I have the number 11 and I have a 10 frame that has 11 fish in it. So I put these two together. You can also play memory where you turn them all upside down and you have to turn them over two at a time to see if you can find the match. So with these cards, what you're doing is you're matching the number card with the 10 frames that show that number. There's another card game, and it's a shape game. And it has words on it, and you have to figure out which shape they're talking about. I have 4 equal sides. What shape am I? Do you know? Well, a square has 4 equal sides. This one says, I have 3 sides and 3 vertices. Remember that vertices are corners. What shape am I? What shape has 3 sides and 3 vertices or corners? Triangle. You guys will be good at that. You have this review page where you're making 16. You write the number, find the number, 10 and what makes 16. And then you fill in the 10 frames to show 16. On this paper, you have to find the missing numbers. So you've got a 2. You trace the ones that are dashed, but what comes before 2? What's 1 less than 2? 1, 2, and you do the same thing on the bottom. So those are your review pages. That's what you're going to be doing for review. Now I'm going to read a book to you guys, and it's called The Shape of Things. In our world, there are shapes all around us. You know, a cookie might be a circle, a pizza might be a circle, it could also be a square. A slice of pizza can be a triangle. If I look at this picture on the front cover, I can see rectangles and squares and circles. I can see all kinds of shapes in this picture. And that's what we're looking for in this picture, is all the shapes we can find. Shape of things. The shape of things. A square is just a square until you add a roof, 2 windows, and a door. Then it's much, much more. A circle is just a circle until you add some lights, chairs high and low, round and round they go. A triangle is just a triangle until you add another, an ocean and a sky, a seagull passing by. A rectangle is just a rectangle until you add some more, an engine and a track, a red caboose in back. An oval's just an oval until you add a nest, a wooden house, and then a patient mother hen. A diamond's just a diamond until you add some string, wind and a tail, some friends to help it sail. A shape is just a shape, but look again and see. There are shapes of every kind. How many can you find? And if you took the time, you could find a bunch. There are shapes everywhere around us. And today you're going to be looking for shapes. We're going to start off with this paper. And it says in the directions to color the objects that represent the shape. Well, first we have a square. You're going to color anything that is square shaped. Here we have a circle. You'll color anything that's circle shaped. Rectangle, you're going to color anything that's a rectangle shape. And triangle, you're going to color anything that's a triangular shape. And when you're done with that, you're going to go on a shape hunt. Okay? You have a page that looks, whoops, excuse me guys. You have a shape that looks like this. It's got a triangle, a square, a rectangle, a hexagon, and a circle. You're going to look around your house or maybe in your yard, and you are going to find anything you can that is a triangular shape, and you're going to draw a small picture of them. Try to find as many as you can, and you can fit in here, so draw them small. If you find things that are square shaped, you're going to draw a little picture of them here. When you find hexagons, you're going to draw pictures of them here. When you find rectangles, draw pictures of them here. Circles, you have lots of room for circles. Try to find as many as you can. The hardest one might be the hexagon, but at least do 3 things for each shape. If you can't do 3 for hexagon, I understand, but see what you can find that's that shape. That's a harder one. And then your last page, you're going to take one of the things that you found. So let's say that I'm looking for triangles and I found a triangle. I'm going to turn this triangle into one of the things that I found. So if my triangle is a slice of pizza, I'm going to make this one look like a slice of pizza. If my rectangle, one of the rectangles that I found is the door, then I'm going to color and draw this one to look like a door. So go ahead then and turn these into one of the shapes that you found. Hope you enjoy that shape hunt. It's always fun to see what kinds of shapes you can find in the world. Have a good day. Bye.